Hello everyone, and welcome back to Holistic Health Tips. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of holistic health, exploring the latest trends that are taking the wellness community by storm. But before we jump into the hottest trends, let's begin with a quick refresher on what holistic health actually means. Holistic health is an approach to healthcare that considers the whole person, mind, body, spirit, and emotions. It emphasizes the connection between these elements and aims to achieve optimal wellness by addressing the root causes of imbalances rather than just treating symptoms. If you haven't watched our previous video about holistic health concept, I will give the link of the video in the description so you can watch that and understand about holistic health in detail. Now let's get started about the trends that are getting popularity in health and fitness world. Number 1. Functional medicine. Our first trend is functional medicine. It is gaining traction as it focuses on treating the root causes of diseases by looking at the body as a whole system. Top doctors like Dr. Mark Hyman and Dr. Terry Walls have been advocating for this approach, emphasizing the importance of personalized, patient-centered care. Functional medicine is a revolutionary approach to healthcare that delves beyond traditional medical practices. At its core, this methodology seeks to identify and address the root causes of health issues rather than merely treating symptoms. Practitioners of functional medicine conduct thorough assessments, considering genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors that may contribute to a person's health condition. The goal is to understand the interconnectedness of various bodily systems and how imbalances in one area can affect the entire body. This personalized approach allows for the development of individualized treatment plans, often incorporating lifestyle modifications, nutrition adjustments, and targeted interventions to restore balance within the body. Functional medicine represents a paradigm shift in healthcare, emphasizing a patient-centered, integrative approach that empowers individuals to take charge of their health and address the underlying factors contributing to their well-being. Number 2. Integrative nutrition. Integrative nutrition is our next trend, and it's all about nourishing the body with a focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. Renowned nutritionist Dr. Andrew Weil has been a strong advocate for integrative nutrition, promoting the idea that food is medicine. This methodology recognizes that food is not just fuel for the body, but plays a crucial role in supporting overall well-being. Integrative nutrition combines principles from both traditional and alternative medicine, considering the interplay of factors such as lifestyle, environment, and individual needs. It emphasizes the importance of consuming whole, nutrient-dense foods and encourages mindful eating practices. Integrative nutrition practitioners aim to address the unique nutritional requirements of each individual, taking into account factors such as genetics, digestion, and personal preferences. This approach goes beyond prescribing generic diets, focusing on creating a sustainable and personalized nutritional plan that fosters long-term health. Number 3. Holistic fitness practices. Mind-body practices are another hot trend, incorporating techniques like meditation, yoga, and mindfulness to promote overall well-being. Dr. Deepak Chopra and Dr. John Kabat-Zinn have been instrumental in bringing attention to the profound impact of these practices on our health. Holistic fitness practices encompass a diverse range of activities that focus on nurturing the well-being of the entire person, mind, body, and spirit. These practices go beyond conventional exercise routines, recognizing the interconnectedness of various aspects of our health. Yoga, for instance, is a holistic fitness practice that combines physical postures, controlled breathing, and meditation to enhance flexibility, strength, and mental clarity. Tai Chi and Qigong, rooted in ancient Chinese traditions, emphasize slow, flowing movements and mindfulness, aiming to cultivate and balance the body's vital energy. These practices not only contribute to physical fitness but also promote mental and emotional balance. The emphasis on breathwork, mindfulness, and the mind-body connection sets holistic fitness apart, offering individuals a holistic approach to health that transcends the purely physical. Holistic fitness practices are accessible to people of all ages and fitness levels, making them inclusive and adaptable to individual needs. Number 4. Biohacking. Moving on to biohacking, a trend that's all about using technology to optimize health. Leaders in this field, like Dave Asprey, emphasize biohacking as a way to upgrade our biology, often incorporating elements like wearable devices, supplements, and personalized data tracking. Biohacking is an innovative and dynamic approach to optimizing human performance and well-being by utilizing a combination of biology, technology, and self-experimentation. This multidisciplinary field encompasses a wide range of practices, from dietary modifications and exercise routines to the use of cutting-edge technologies and supplements. Biohackers often leverage data-driven insights, using tools like wearable devices and biomarker tracking to monitor and analyze their physiological responses to different interventions. Cognitive enhancement, longevity, and overall health improvement are common goals within the biohacking community. Techniques may include intermittent fasting, nootropics, cold exposure, and even genetic modifications. While biohacking has gained popularity, it's important to approach it with caution and prioritize evidence-based practices to ensure safety and efficacy. Number 5. Energy healing. Another trend gaining momentum is energy healing. Practices like Reiki and acupuncture aim to balance the body's energy flow. Dr. Sofia Rodriguez, a leading expert in energy medicine, shares her thoughts on the efficacy of these therapies. Energy healing is a holistic and alternative approach to well-being, which centers on the concept of vital life force energy. The fundamental premise is that disruptions or imbalances in the flow of this energy within the body can lead to physical, mental, and emotional ailments. Energy healing practices, such as Reiki, acupuncture, and Qigong, aim to restore and rebalance the body's energy, promoting overall health and wellness. In Reiki, for example, practitioners channel universal life force energy through their hands to the recipient, facilitating a state of deep relaxation and encouraging the body's natural healing abilities. Acupuncture, rooted in traditional Chinese medicine, involves inserting thin needles into specific points along the body's meridians to regulate the flow of qi, promoting balance and alleviating various health issues. Qigong, a practice combining movement, breath, and meditation, focuses on cultivating and balancing qi to enhance vitality and well-being. While the mechanisms behind energy healing may not be fully understood in conventional medical terms, many individuals report experiencing profound benefits, including reduced stress, improved mood, and enhanced overall health. Energy healing is increasingly recognized for its integrative and holistic approach to wellness, acknowledging the interconnected nature of the mind, body, and spirit. Now that we've explored some of the hottest trends, let's discuss why holistic health is so crucial in our lives. Holistic health not only treats existing health issues but also focuses on preventing future problems by promoting balance and harmony within the body. It recognizes that physical health is intricately linked to mental and emotional well-being, creating a comprehensive approach to overall health. As we've seen today, holistic health is a dynamic and evolving field, with these trends providing innovative ways to achieve optimal well-being. It's essential to stay informed and open-minded as we continue on our journey towards a healthier and more balanced life. So, these are the hottest trends in the world of holistic health that you need to know in 2024. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. What do you think of these trends? Which one resonates with you the most? Let me know in the comments section below. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.